Hello guys, welcome back. This is Adhay, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. You guessed it, I have another lash video, and of course I had to bring you guys along so you guys could see how these lashes look. And the lashes that I'll be trying on today are from ROKAEL Beauty from his Paradise collection. Let me just give it up to the name because it is Paradise. And if you see, Paradise. Get it? If you want to see how these lashes look, or you simply just love a good lash, then keep on watching. Before I get started, I want to say thank you, ROKAEL, for sending me these lashes. These lashes are luxury faux mink and they are cruelty free. This is their newest collection called Paradise. I have tried several of his lashes, and if you guys haven't watched it yet, I'll link those videos down below. And this particular collection looks so dreamy. It looks soft yet fierce. I don't know, you guys will see what I mean. As always, I'm going to start off with the lightest and work my way up. Let's start off with the first one called Supernatural. That's me. These are the lightest one out of all of them. These are the definition of your everyday lash. One thing I love about their lashes is the band. The band is very flexible. It's like a gummy band. It is sturdy but flexible at the same time. So I'm going to measure. Oh, I already know. I'm gonna love these. I already know. I think I need to cut a little bit of the outer corner. As always, I'm gonna use my handy dandy duo. Okay, let's try. I think I could have cut a little bit more. It is so pretty. Let me put on the other one. I mean, look at that. Now I understand why the name is Paradise Dreams. I think I could have cut a little bit more out of the outer corner, but it doesn't look too bad. The next lashes, based on how light they are, would be NEUX Moon. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but they look like this. These lashes give me natural and flirty. I need to cut maybe a tiny bit more. This is totally me. Totally me. The other lash on. They look so cute. 10 out of 10. I really like 10 out of 10. The following lashes have more volume. They are definitely not your supernatural type of lash. They are celestial, and this is how they look. They definitely have more volume, more character than the previous ones. Let's see if they fit. Okay, cut them. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Wow. The way that this is so nicely feathered, they are longer than what I'm used to, but they're nicely feathered out. Let me put on the other ones. What do we think? It looks good. It looks really good. Guys, The way that these are so comfortable, like I mentioned in all of my other videos from this brand, it is like a gummy type of band that sits comfortable on your eyelid. Also, fun fact, I do have a discount code with them. It is Adhay. I will leave the discount right over here or in the description box below so you guys could get a discount at checkout. Let's go on with the next lash, and that one would be Sun Raised. This is how they look. These look fuller. Just by looking at these, they are not angled. They're like in between, but not circled. I'm not sure how to explain it. It is a signature of this brand because they are not catty and they are not oval. It is like a catty oval. Let's go ahead and try these on. I have to admit, I'm a little bit nervous for these because they look a little more intense than what I'm used to. But here you go. Here goes nothing. They are so pretty. They're so pretty, but out of my comfort zone. I have to admit that they are out of my comfort zone. But do you guys see what I mean by they're not angled nor that oval? They're like over here. Let me try the other one on. These are so beautiful. They give me doll eyes for some reason. They open up my eyes so beautifully. But I do have to admit they are out of my comfort zone. If you could see this in person, how they look, you'll be in awe as well, like me. Overall, they look beautiful. Last but not least from this collection would be Forever Susana, and they look like this. Now it's time to try them on. They are long but more subtle than the previous ones. I see myself wearing these out and about. Oh, look at them. Okay, let's try the other one. They're about the same length as the previous one, but with less volume. I see myself going out with these. I definitely do. They're so pretty. What do we think? Do we like? Do we not like? Do they suit me? Do they not? What do we think? I like them so much. So what do we think? Do we like them? Do we not? Do they look good on me? Do they not? And that is it, you guys. What do you guys think? Did you guys like it? Did you guys not? I honestly really love these lashes, for the exception of one that was a little bit out of my comfort zone. It looked great, but just out of my comfort zone. Other than that, these lashes are all very, very beautiful. I'll leave all the lashes that I tried on today linked down below. I want to give a big shout out to ROKAEL for sending me these lashes. I really, really appreciate this so much. You have no idea, especially because I am a very, very small, tiny content creator. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Thank you guys so much for watching. It is greatly appreciated and it means a lot to me. I do have a discount code with ROKAEL Beauty lashes. I'll leave it right over here and in the description box down below. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.